Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for research work efficiently in 2026. So if you're doing academic research, market analysis, or writing reports, this guide will help you save time and organize your work better. First, open your browser and go to Claude AI. Then sign in to your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, you can start using it as your research assistant. One of the most important steps is clearly defining your topic. So instead of asking something general, specify your research question, goal, and context. The clearer you are, the better the results you'll get. Now ask Claude to gather information on your topic. You can request summaries, explanations, key facts, or comparisons between different ideas or concepts. One powerful trick is asking Claude to organize everything into sections. You can request headings like introduction, findings, analysis, and conclusion for better readability. You can also use Claude to compare different viewpoints or data points. This is really helpful when analyzing trends, arguments, or multiple research sources. If you need deeper understanding, ask follow-up questions. You can request explanations, simplifications, or additional details on any part of your research. And that's how to use Claude AI for research work efficiently in 2026. Once you start organizing your questions and structuring your output, research becomes faster, easier, and much more productive. If this guide helped you out, feel free to check out more AI productivity tutorials. Hey everyone,